This type of AI video is going insanely viral right now. Tiny boats controlled by real humans with a controller. And the craziest part? Some small creators are getting millions of views from this. Just look at what I made. This is actually insane. Now, let me show you exactly how to create this kind of video in less than a minute using completely free tools. Let's go. First, head over to ChatGPT. On the left side, click Explore GPTs. If you don't see it, just go to Apps, then GPTs, and open the Explore page from there. Now search for something called Miniature Boat Generator. Click the first one and start chatting. Instantly, it will generate 10 different viral scenes for you. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You can either type the number of any scene you like or just describe your own idea. I'm going with number 8. Just type it and send. Boom. Now it gives you a full image prompt and video prompt for that exact scene. Plus, it even gives you 5 more ideas so you can keep your video going. It also suggests tools like OpenArt, but that one is paid. So instead, we're using Flow. Now copy the first image prompt, head over to Flow and create a new project. Set the type to image, aspect ratio to 19:16, image output to x2, and make sure you select Nano Banana 2, not Pro. Paste your prompt and hit generate. In a few seconds, you'll get 2 versions. Pick the best one, download it, and delete the other. Now repeat the exact same process for the next scene. Copy the next prompt, generate it, download your favorite, delete the rest. Do this for as many scenes as you want. Once you're done, now it's time to bring it to life. Switch over to video mode in Flow. Select frame, not ingredient, set your ratio to 19:16, video output to x1, and choose VEVO 3.1 Lite. Now click Start Frame and upload your first image. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompt, paste it into Flow, and hit Generate. Wait for it, and just like that, you get a cinematic AI video. But here's a pro tip. I tested VEO 3.1 fast, and the results are way better. Yes, it costs more credits, but trust me, the quality jump is huge. So if you can, go with VEO 3.1 fast. Download your clip, then repeat the same steps for all your scenes. Once everything is ready, it's time to combine your clips. Open CapCut, import all your videos, and place them one after the other on the timeline. Add smooth transitions in between each clip to make it flow nicely. Now listen carefully. This part is important. Don't add music inside CapCut. Export your video raw. Then, when uploading to TikTok or YouTube Shorts, use a trending sound directly from the platform. That's what helps push your video to more people. And that's it. You've just created a viral AI video that people are watching on repeat.